ServSafe Manager practice test free. Question 1. The primary concern with safe temperature for eggs for hot holding is 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot-held eggs require 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 2. What defines the standard for air gap requirement? Cools water, prevents backflow, filters water, increases water pressure. An air gap is the only way to reliably prevent backflow. Question 3. What is the requirement for minimum temperature for fruits/veggies? 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius. Fruits, veggies, and grains for hot holding need 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 4. One must always check safe temperature for duck for 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Duck and wild game require 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 5. In the context of food safety, condition for bacterial growth involves cold temperature, moisture, high acidity, low protein. Bacteria need moisture, water activity, to grow. Question 6. Regarding cooling food phase 2, which of the following is correct? 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours. 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours. 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours. 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. Phase 2 of cooling is 70 to 41 in 4 hours. Question 7. Effective management of hepatitis A source requires ground beef, moldy bread, feces of infected people, raw poultry. Hepatitis A is spread by the fecal-oral route. Question 8. What is the critical limit for vacuum-packed food risk? Salmonella, norovirus, listeria, botulism. Anaerobic environments in vacuum packs risk C. botulinum. Question 9. During an audit, non-typhoidal salmonella source is evaluated by farm animals, flies, wild birds, cats. Farm animals carry non-typhoidal salmonella. Question 10. Under ServSafe guidelines, HACCP Principle 6 is monitor, verify the system works, record, analyze. Step 6 is verification. Question 11. In the context of food safety, calibration method, ice point involves 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. The ice point method involves adjusting the thermometer to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 12. The definition of CCP stands for in the FDA Food Code is chemical control point, clean control point, critical control point, critical cooking point. CCPs are points where hazards can be prevented or reduced. Question 13. When considering chemical hazard, what is the standard? Bones, degreasers, mold, fungi. Cleaning chemicals like degreasers are chemical hazards. Question 14. When monitoring quaternary ammonium, quats, contact time, one must look for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Quats typically require 30 seconds. Question 15. Which of these is prohibited regarding handwashing station requirement? Trash can, signage, paper towels, soap. Stations must have water, soap, drying method, trash, and sign. Question 16. A failure in foodborne illness outbreak definition can lead to 10 people sick, Everyone in the restaurant sick. 2 or more people with same symptoms. 1 person sick. An outbreak involves 2 plus people from the same food. Question 17. What is the best practice for outdoor garbage surface? Concrete or asphalt? Gravel, dirt, grass? Outdoor bins must sit on non-absorbent surfaces. Question 18. Regarding scombroid poisoning, which of the following is correct? Botulism, E. coli, histamine, ciguatixin. Scombroid poisoning is caused by histamine in certain fish. Question 19. The correct way to measure physical hazard is viruses, parasites, metal shavings, sanitizer. Metal shavings are physical hazards. Question 20. The primary concern with safe temperature for ground pork is 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground pork requires 155 degrees Fahrenheit.